Ala, anyari kay Clark Bella. Hi Bella, good morning. Let's go inside the room. Go inside the house. Let's go there, inside. Hi Clark. Good morning Clark. Bakit maingay ikaw? Hmm? Hindi yan dito sa atin, ganyan sa kabila. Hmm? Ba't maingay ikaw? Bakit na? Ano? Asan si Daddy? Nasaan si Daddy? Ha? Umalis? Umalis. Umalis si Daddy? Okay. Umalis daw si Daddy niya. Sabi ko, nasaan si Daddy? Sabi niya, umalis daw si Daddy. He's going? He leave you here? Daddy leave you here? Oh. Isa ko naman, panay ganyan na. Why Daddy leave you here, huh? Without permission from Mommy. Good morning, Clark. Kiss Mommy. Good morning. Kiss Mommy. Love you. Ano nga yun? Ba't palagi ikaw nagkakaw? Ow. Why always barking? Why always barking? Why always barking, Clark? Why always barking, baby Clarky? I'll give Daddy Clark. Good job, Clark. Thank you, Daddy. The other one, the little girl. Put down. She also eating. She also eating. Oh, eat ka na, my love. Thank you, love. See, Isabella? She also eat. Me too. Me too. Kawawa naman, unfair naman. Same yan sila, love.
Okay. That's what cheese. That I don't know. That I don't know.
Lumpia naman yan. Hindi naman ako mahilig dyan eh.
Huh?
Dati, bata-bata pa ako. Paborito ko to. When I was young, my favorite dish. And now, maybe this is my favorite. Ayaw ko din masyadong maraming mantika.
Cheese.
At saka ayaw ko din. Guys, ito try natin guys na ilagay yung fresh na fish at saka octopus pusit dito sa floor kung kakainin ba ng pusa. Pero, susyo na lang natin. Ayan. Ito yung pusit malaki. Binili ng asawa ko. So, ito try natin. Andiyan yung pusa ko. Kung kakainin ba, kung kumakain ba siya ng fresh, kung fresh. Eat! Ito, dali. Bella, ayaw. Si Clark. Si Clark naman. Clark, oh. Ayaw nilang kainin. Good job. Pinalabas ko na nga yung laman eh. Ang pusit. Bella. Ayaw. You don't. Ayaw. Okay. Ayaw ah. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching.